Edinburgh Castle, a historic fortress perched atop Castle Rock in the heart of Scotland's capital, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the country. Its imposing structure dominates the skyline of Edinburgh, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to explore its rich history and stunning views. The castle's history dates back to at least the 12th century, though evidence suggests that the site has been occupied since the Iron Age. It has served as a royal residence, a military stronghold, and a symbol of Scottish independence. The castle's strategic location was chosen for its defensibility and visibility, making it a crucial point during various conflicts throughout Scotland's turbulent history. One of the most significant events in the castle's history occurred in 1296 when King Edward I of England seized it during the Wars of Scottish Independence. The castle changed hands multiple times over the centuries, with notable sieges and battles, including the famous siege of 1573 during the Marian Civil War, which led to extensive fortifications being constructed. Visitors to Edinburgh Castle can explore its many attractions, including the crown jewels of Scotland, displayed in the Crown Room. These jewels, which include the crown, sceptre, and sword of state, are symbols of Scottish monarchy and heritage. Edinburgh Castle is not only a monument to Scotland's royal history but also a symbol of national pride. It has witnessed many pivotal moments in Scottish history, including the Jacobite risings and the fight for independence. Today, it stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Scot. In conclusion, Edinburgh Castle is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, architecture, and stunning landscapes.